Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in Honda CRV. Begin by parking on level ground and turning off the engine. Locate the low side service port near the accumulator. Check the AC system pressure with a gauge and compare to manufacturer specifications. Use the correct refrigerant type, and a refrigerant can tap to add small amounts slowly. Recheck pressure and cabin cooling after a few minutes and inspect for leaks before finishing. For a smooth recharge, prepare all tools ahead of time so you stay focused and safe. You will need a manifold gauge set, a can tap, and the correct refrigerant. A leak detector helps find any escapes before you add refrigerant. Keep rags and a container for disposing of old materials. Having everything ready reduces mistakes and keeps the process efficient and stress-free. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future content. Quick recommendation: the Robot Face Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes tidying up hands-free, with voice control and intelligent mapping that saves time after messy jobs. It's a handy workshop buddy and fun to use at home. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow steps calmly and monitor results to avoid overcharging. With engine running and AC on max, attach the low side hose to the service port. Read the pressure and add refrigerant in short bursts, checking temperature change inside the cabin. Allow the system to stabilize between additions and stop when pressures match recommended cold conditions. If you detect a leak or odd noise, shut down and inspect further before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.